Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to justify a line text in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option, this menu bar. Already selected this home menu. Now select this edit down arrow and click on this text. Now click here a text box and whole text box now selected and select this format option. And this is justify a line option. So we will click here justify a line and see this. All of this text now justify a line. Apply. Also I'll apply here justify a line. See this. In this way you can make all of your text or specific text justify a line. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.